y'all, happy Friday. So it's Pizza Fridays usually in our house that I usually either go get pizza or make pizza or something. So I thought this would be fun today to use my mango barbecue sauce. Another way that you can use this, we're gonna make barbecue chicken pizza. So let's get started on and showing you how I'm gonna use this mango barbecue sauce on the pizza. Hey y'all, so I got just some pizza dough. I'm not making my own. I got this from Publix, our grocery store here. And it's really easy, you're not gonna have to roll it out. So let me try, this is my first time trying this pizza dough out. So hopefully it works. So it comes like this, so it's real easy. It looks like it's already, you know, rounded out for you. It's, you know, I'm assuming it's already the shape. Yeah, it's already the shape that you're gonna have it to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my non-stick pan. If you don't have a non-stick pan, then you can lightly grease, you know, just lightly grease a pan or a pizza. If you have a pizza pan, I do not. I should invest in one, but see how easy that is? You just take it out. You've already gotten, I mean, you could probably roll it out a little more if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna go by with the directions. This is my first time. You're gonna take it out and we're gonna go ahead and start putting the toppings on for our barbecue chicken pizza. Okay y'all, so I have some chicken. It was just a chicken breast that I pre-baked, and I put some salt, some pepper, and a little bit of mesquite seasoning, and then I shredded it. And then we're gonna take some of the mango barbecue sauce and we're gonna incorporate that in there so the chicken has some of that mango barbecue sauce flavor on it. We're also gonna use the mango barbecue sauce as our base for our pizza, but I wanted to also put some of the sauce in here as well. Just gonna mix all this together. And there you have it. And so now we're just gonna go ahead and assemble the pizza. Okay, so we have our pizza dough perfectly ready for us to just dress. So I'm gonna take some more of that mango barbecue sauce, and I am going to just spread it around. This is our base. So I think that was good enough. That was like 2 tablespoons. And then I'm just gonna brush it around. Get a, you know, kind of still keep the edge, because this is gonna puff up. And we may put some garlic butter around that for just a little flavor on the, and put a little more, so maybe be 2 tablespoons, 3. And put a little more. You know, I'm a saucy type person, so you could do about 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is 3. But depending on your, you know, your liking. Now we have our tomatoes. So we're gonna put some fresh tomatoes on here. You know, with all the spice and sweetness and stuff, you wanna balance it out with the little tomatoes and more of a little acidic type vibe. And then tomatoes are just good anyways. I have Gouda cheese, smoked Gouda cheese that I decided to do, and we're gonna do some fresh mozzarella. But you could use, you know, whatever cheese of your choice, but these two, like the smoky taste of the Gouda, and then who doesn't like homemade, you know, mozzarella balls? Fresh mozzarella. I guess not homemade, but fresh. So you just put as much cheese as you feel that you want on there. Fresh mozzarella balls here that I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna kind of cut, you know, break it up. So I used probably about 4 or 5 mozzarella balls for this pizza. Okay, y'all, so I have some garlic butter here. So it's just butter, garlic paste, and parsley that I put in here. And then I'm just gonna brush this around the edges of the crust. So just lightly try to butter your edges. Get them edges. Get them edges, y'all. Get them edges. So it's cooked for about 18 minutes. Nice golden brown. Nice brown and crispy. It looks good. It smells good. So I'm gonna go in and taste it. So you could really do probably, I did 18 minutes. You probably could do about 15 minutes. About 15, 16 minutes. Something like that. Alright, so I'm gonna go in and cut it and taste it. Okay, y'all, so I'm getting ready to cut. Now, I'm not no professional pizza cutter, but I'm gonna just, I got my pizza cutter. So I'm gonna go in and just cut me a slice somehow. It don't look like my pizza cutter really getting in there. Let's see. It's doing a little bit of something. It probably needs to be sharpened. I'm messing up the pizza. I think I'm just gonna rip it a little bit here. And I'm gonna taste it. It's a little hot. Ooh, hot, hot. That's hot, y'all. That's good. It's hot. It's a little hot. Let's try it one more time. I'm gonna blow on it a little bit. So I'm gonna burn my lips. Hold on. Hopefully. It is delicious. Okay, let me tell you. The mango barbecue sauce, you can taste it. So the mango barbecue, it gives it a sweet kind of spice to it. The tomatoes, you need it for the acidity. And then the smokiness of the Gouda and the mozzarella. And the chicken is perfectly, you know, it was good to put more of the mango barbecue on the chicken so you can taste it in that. It's actually a very good pizza. I don't think I tasted with the onion. Let me see if I have some onion on here. So I can kind of taste it with that. This is really good. It's a must make. You can get a little more dip, you know, some more mango. For like, I'm a dipper, like I always like marinara sauce, so I could dip some more mango barbecue sauce in this, eat it. But this is another quick and easy way that you can use our mango barbecue sauce chicken, do a chicken pizza. Also, this is kid friendly, so it's not too spicy or anything for the kids, so it'll really balance it out. To get this recipe and more and our products, go to DivineKuizine.com. Love y'all.